Speaking of which, we talked about that cold snap coming in. Will the snow we get stick around to Christmas? I'm telling you right now, probably not in the next couple of minutes. I'll tell you why. But we're preparing you for what's coming this weekend. We're looking at the disruptive weather tomorrow because of the snow coming in afternoon into the evening, and then followed by the wind and the cold on Sunday. So they kind of that 1-2 winter punch. Snow expected, and we'll time it out for you in the next couple of minutes, but painting with a broad brush, back-to-back 10 weather impact alert days. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, and that's the snow. Sunday morning, that's the wind. Wind chills early Sunday below zero and staying there for a good part of the day. So start planning your crock pot comfort food Sunday now. You got a couple hours to get to the grocery store. Be ready and then stay connected. As Don mentioned, that 10 TV app is a great way to do just that during the day. Now we're looking downtown Columbus. The sun is set. We're looking at cloudy skies. Not a terrible evening or night or morning for that matter. It'll be a while in some spots. Actually see the first flakes fly tomorrow, but you've got that window and that's going to close very quickly tomorrow afternoon. Little if any wind out there, and that is a welcome change. We'll take that improvement. 34 feels like 34. Next 12 hours, the temperature is dropping down to around 30 degrees and staying right around that mark. Yes, we'll be below freezing tomorrow, and that's part of the equation, but a small part when you see what else we're dealing with in terms of the snow and the wind and the cold. Now, as tomorrow's forecast, one of the things we're watching, while we'll be right around 30 degrees for the good part of the day, as soon as that snow comes in, the temperatures are going to start to drop. That also is compounded by the wind and this period of snow lasting many hours, at least 6, maybe 8 hours of persistent snow for many of us tomorrow. What that means with the wind and the cold and that ongoing snow is that it'll take multiple trips likely for the crews and maybe your family crew to keep things clear. And that effect will linger into Saturday night and Sunday. General snowfall accumulation, everybody will be shoveling and plowing to what extent? Northern third of the viewing area, Mount Vernon, Delaware, Marysville, Urbana, Marion, Mount Gilead, to name a few, 2 to 3 inches. South of that line from Delaware County, over near Licking County, Franklin County, Fairfield County, all the way down to the Ohio River, that 3 to 5 inch swath. Just a little bit higher amounts there. Some spots, in addressing that plus sign, we're not going to go crazy and see a foot of snow, but would not be shocked to see a few locations, especially southeast where it starts sooner and ends later. 6 or 7 inches, not out of the question, but generally speaking, 3 to 5 inch snowfall for everybody. Now it's time it out for you starting tomorrow morning. A couple of flakes flying. We're dry till about noon. Watch how fast that area of snow comes in between noon and 3 o'clock. Everybody's seeing the accumulating snow. Mid-afternoon through the evening, 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock, more of the same. So again, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours of persistent snow until about 9 o'clock. Once that area passes by, we're going to see the snow shutting down, the winds picking up and colder temperatures coming back in, just kind of adding and complicating things on Sunday morning. Yes, we'll see a few leftover snow showers there, but the real focus will be the cold and the wind. 10 weather impact alert late tomorrow because of accumulating snow, and on Sunday morning, let's put a fine point on those wind chills at or below zero all day long. Monday, not quite as windy, but a little colder in the morning. Tuesday, kind of in between, 32. We are going to step those temperatures up. In fact, the next chance, maybe some flurries on Wednesday, rain or snow shower Thursday, and a better chance of just plain rain showers. Back around 50 degrees, and the somewhat milder temperatures above normal for a while should be sticking around all of next weekend.